Tonight, a teen accepts a plea deal in adult court after a girl's shocking death 2 years ago.
Her mother calls it the worst time of her life. Aaliyah Ingram was found dead after a single-car accident, but police would later reveal 2 teenagers were connected to her death. One of those teens went before a judge today. But
Aaliyah's mother told News 2's My Owen she's still left with more questions than answers.
Traveling through Nashville, between the names, cars, and traffic. But this specific street is named after a specific girl, recognized by a sign that sits just feet away from where Aaliyah Ingram's body was found.
We should not be here right now.
It's a reminder of how a 13-year-old girl's memory can last far beyond her time on Earth.
Since her last really awake moments were over here, I just didn't want her to go forgotten.
Tonight, her mother says it's a full circle moment after Aaliyah was found dead. Her mother going into detail of how Aaliyah left her home late one night. By morning, when she never returned, Natalie knew something was wrong. Metro Police later releasing information surrounding her death, linking it to a car crash.
I could sit here and say, she will never get to stand underneath that tree. It hurts because there's no new memories.
But tonight, she's struggling to understand what happens now. 3 months after Aaliyah's body was found in a ditch, 15-year-old Cesar Martinez turned himself in on an arrest order, charging him with vehicular homicide. Later, Aaliyah's mother telling News 2 another teen was in the car at the time of her death. Paperwork would show the second teen was charged with criminal homicide. And today, that second teenager appearing before the juvenile court, pleading guilty as an adult. However, Natalie says after giving a victim impact statement, sitting and waiting, she was shocked to hear the teen was sentenced to probation.
Just sitting there knowing that he will get to leave after we get out of here, that's a problem.
She describes that moment in court, even listening to the teen apologize, only to leave her with more questions than answers.
He tried to apologize today, and his apology was, "I'm sorry, but it wasn't my fault." Well, whose fault was it?
And tonight, we are still awaiting the official court documents detailing the next steps in the legal process for that teen charged in Aaliyah's death. But her mother says moving forward, she encourages parents to talk to your kids and urge them to be on alert for dangerous situations.